They said the future of your abilities, and this is the message. In the near future, humanity will restore its DNA to the full capacity. It will be able to holographically talk and communicate with visual imagery. It will recall the backup frequency of thoughts and convert with a full visualization, holographic imagery in front of you. Like visually, you will see a hologram of frequency in front of you. You will also be able to restore the correct resonance and balance it, like going into the fractal, one singular hologram input, and literally see what is in the frequency of balance and correct it in time. This is how you can readjust that particular timeline to perfect and synchronize coherent resonance. The DNA will be able to recharge and simultaneously download, perhaps they said from 3 to 10 seconds, based on how each individual can handle the intake of and the flow of the energetic etheric force. It is like you plug into the time space, and at the moment you get a bit of something to think and you see that something is off balance, you can just recall the singular frequency hologram, and voila, total download of the ether force frequency into your body. So you see, you were never off disengaged, but based on your belief systems, you gave yourself the disillusion that you are depleted. Now it is time to remember how you do that. Bypass all the belief system and co-energize from the field itself. Then you never will be tired or sick. Your body mind will know how much to re-energize, and the frequency of that download will be different sequences every time. Remember, you are always shifting in time space. Never the frequency is the same. Similar, but never the same. So you see, you all listen to different frequency for healing, but the truth is that this frequency always has subtonalities based on your location, mind, consciousness, body, and it's never the same. So bypass and recall in time space now all you need. The mind will know how much to take in. You learn and you remember.